How to play with friends in chess.com. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then kindly type chess.com, sign up. If you haven't created an account yet, then you need to create one. So you can go to chess.com, sign up. And then once you have your account already, then you can go to chess.com and this is what it looks like. Now, here, what you want to do to play with your friends is to just simply go to this area and then tap play. Now, as you can see here under play chess, we have options like play online, computer, play a friend, tournaments, and chess variants. So, tap this play a friend. Click this one. Now, as you can see, we have here play a friend and you just have to go to the search bar here and then kindly type their email address and their username. Now, in case you forgot their email address or username, don't worry. You just have to go to this part and then click this one. Now, you can copy this link and send this link to any of your social media account. And then once your friend will click that one, it will take them directly to chess.com. Here you can add their email address just in case you forgot their username. And also, lastly, we have here find your friends here on Facebook. All you have to do is to connect your account here. And then once they have received your invitation and accepted your request, then you can play together here on chess.com. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.